Look at that beautiful sunset, man. And the moon, too.
That's my city right there.
Like you never done before.
That you don't want to like post a piece of content ever, right? Because you're like, that's so cool. Because we post it and we're just like.
I don't know what the flavor I get usually is. Do you have choice words for us?
No.
Yeah.
Cold, it's cold.
Mm-hmm.
You recording? I'm all out of windshield wiper fluid. It's just like, it's just trickling down the hood of my car.
Coffee.
It's gonna stain my teeth.
It's not.
Oh, it's gonna be a very big pancake. Shit. Hello.
Stop making that face. Are you thinking about it?
The other song that I was supposed to record piano for, that I just like didn't press record on the recorder.
Oh yeah.
So I have to.
Oh no.
This is from the Safe and Sound music video shoot. We still need smoking in restaurants, I think.
Airplanes.